All right guys, today we are gonna walk through how to make this super fun and simple eucalyptus stem. This is a part of the larger wildflower bouquet, so make sure to hit up that video next to learn how to make all of the beautiful wildflowers to make your own bouquet at home. So this is the shape that we are using. They're about 1 inch by 2 inches if you want to hand cut it. It's kind of like a rounded oval on each side, or link below in the description to a PDF pattern and an SVG that you can cut these on a machine. So I am using 7 of these right now. And we're gonna go ahead and take our 18 gauge wire, and then we are going to feed these on to our wire. So I am just using my finger as resistance and twisting the wire so that it goes through that center felt there. And I'm gonna go ahead and fish on all 7 of these leaves. Now we're gonna go ahead and take our first one, bring it to the top here. Not all the way at the top that it's gonna fall off. We're gonna put a little bit of glue right at that tip by that wire, and we're gonna pinch and hold both of those together. And just hold it until that glue sets, and then go ahead and then do the next one. So we're gonna bring our next petal, our leaves up. We're gonna do probably about 1 inch lower. Put a little bit of glue down, and then this is where it kind of gets a little bit tricky, but I'll hold this and kind of flip this and fold it on itself, like that. Let that set, and keep going all the way down. And that's it. That is how you make a fun little eucalyptus stem. All right, thanks guys. I hope you loved it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that notification bell so that you do not miss any fun tips, tricks about flower making at home. And catch the link down in description so that you can snag your own PDF cut file and SVG to cut this at home.